know what they're doing to the road. Come on.
Come on, scoot back. Walking further and further. Nigga, you're in trouble walking. Can't chase you.
Since when?
Since my mama never taught me to tie my shoes, I'm not good at chasing.
I see that. I see she never. Because all you wear is fucking flip-flops.
Let's not talk about what your mother didn't teach you.
It's a lot of shit she didn't teach me, but guess what? I have no problem learning it myself.
Okay.
Let's go.
Unless you get your fronts off for Facebook.
This ain't Facebook, sorry.
Whatever it is.
I see your mama didn't teach you to pull your damn pants up either. Lipping a little bit there, sir.
So you making fun of crippled people on your page now?
I didn't make fun of you.
Far with your shit. I see you going viral.
I'm about to take this nigga to the bank.
Yeah, you sound like you about to have a FRED summer.
Take it to the bank, get a little change. See what's in the account. You ride,
Nah, I ride my car.
Okay.
Because when it's over, I'm dipping up out of there and leaving. Come on.
I'll meet you. Which bank we going to?
The one around the corner, right?
The one out of back Clovis?
Yeah.
Okay. See you there. Rolling up here to this bank. See what I can get from this nigga. Yes. When y'all get in here, make sure y'all hit like, subscribe, and share. It's completely free, won't cost you a thing. You know, we like free stuff, okay? All right, and remember, good, better, best. Never let it rest until the good is better and the better is your best. Oh, there goes his core. Bam. You ready to go in? Nigga smoking. Gotta smoke weed before we even go in the bank. Got him. If you gonna bring him into it, that's on you.
I think God like people chain drinking Diet Cokes.
Now you going too fucking far. That has nothing to do with anything. Whatever. I'm not addicted, I don't believe.